What's up, guys? My name's Nathanael, and in this video we are going to be talking about my new PC build. So this new PC build happened over the spring break that I just had this last week was my spring break, and I got the chance to build an awesome PC. We have a H60 Corsair water cooler. I have an Intel Core i7 6700K overclocked to 4.4 gigahertz. I have 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, Corsair LPX memory. I have a GTX 970 from EVGA. I have a 850 watt fully modular power supply, which is awesome for power cable management. As you see, I still got to clean up some wires here and there, just have to tie some stuff down, but I'm still kind of in the testing phases just to see how everything's running with overclock and the water cooler itself and things like that. I have my hard drives, which is my two 1 terabyte drives, one 2 terabyte for Linux, and my SSD. As of right now, the reason why I'm making this video is because I'm bored, and I'm installing Gen 2, which is just just hours of processing and stuff. But with the new Intel Core, this should run fast as I'm switching eSelect profiles. This build was an amazing build. It came out great. Everything worked pretty much out of the box. Even the overclock was pretty easy. I have an ASUS motherboard, the ASUS 170-A UEFI motherboard, which props to ASUS. Fantastic motherboard. First ASUS motherboard I've ever used. The last motherboard I had was from Gigabyte, and that was because I had a Hackintosh last time. This computer using ASUS is not a Hackintosh, and I do not believe it is Hackintosh compatible, as that was not even my goal this build around. The last time I built a computer, that was my main goal, was to have a Hackintosh. This time, I don't need that. I never used Mac after, like, last year. Stopped using it, never touched it again. I only used Linux, Windows, that was it. Threw Mac out, and now that other computer is my little brother's now. But this computer is mine. It's fast as hell. Installing Gen 2 is running really, really fast compared to a VirtualBox. So yeah, Gen 2 is installing really, really fast. We're already at 68 packages out of 185. I'm just installing this for myself at the moment, just to play around with it some more. About the Gen 2 tutorials, they're going to come eventually. I have no promises about when those Gen 2 tutorials will occur. It's just happening. It's going to happen naturally. I'm going to use Gen 2, if I get this to install properly. I'm going to get this to install, and then I'm going to use Gen 2 for myself. I have to use it. I can't just make a tutorial for tutorial's sake. I have to use it. So I'm going to take a break with Arch Linux, use Gen 2 full-time, get everything working, hopefully, OBS, everything. I want to be able to use it as production, or try to at least. And once I do that, then I'll be able to see what I run into as problems, and then I'll be able to help everybody else. Once I run into those problems, then I can help everyone else get out of those problems as well. I have to solve the problems. Problem solving, one thing people in Linux love to do. But yeah, so that's really it for this video. Any questions about the build, leave it in the comment section below. As always, my name's Nathanael. Please rate, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.